Are unexpected equipment failures costing your plant time, money, and credibility? Are you preparing to advance your career in maintenance and reliability? You are in the right place. In today's competitive industrial environment, maintenance is no longer just about fixing equipment after it fails. World-class organizations rely on reliability engineering, structured work management, and data-driven maintenance strategies to achieve operational excellence. Without the right knowledge, passing professional certification exams and applying best practices in the field can be challenging. In this comprehensive preparation program, you will master the 5 core domains of maintenance and reliability, including business and management, manufacturing process reliability, equipment reliability, organization and leadership, work management. Through practical explanations, real industrial examples, and focused practice questions, you will build both technical competence and exam confidence. By the end of this course, you will be able to apply reliability principles in real industrial environments, calculate and interpret key maintenance metrics, select the right maintenance strategies, improve equipment availability and performance, and approach your certification exam with confidence. If you are serious about advancing your maintenance and reliability career, this course is designed for you. Enroll now and take the next step toward maintenance excellence and professional success.